1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Samin in Queens. Samin, how are you?
How are you, Brad? Welcome back,
Thank
everybody.
you.
Well, I applied my citizenship last month, which is 28th of October.
So anybody who goes for a citizenship interview after December 1st is getting the new test. It's not when you file.
Oh,
it's
if
when you
they
go for the
go
interview.
to after the okay,
it's when
thank
you go for the interview.
And the second question is that I did file my tax every year, and for this last year I did file my tax like as usual I file, but whatever I owe them, so I make the installment. I'm paying them state and the federal. I'm paying an installment.
As long as you're making the payments and you're up to date on your payments, they can't deny you citizenship because you didn't pay your taxes. They could
okay.
only,
When the
they
officer and you sit together
tell the
in front
truth.
of each other,
Yeah.
and the question is came, he's going to ask you, are you owe any federal tax or something? What is the best answer?
The answer is yes, and I'm on a payment plan, and I am up to date on my payment plan. And the reason,
great.
and
Okay.
the reason why that is the right answer is, one, it's the truth, and more importantly, as I was about to say, they cannot deny you because you owe taxes. They can only deny you if you owe taxes and you fail to file a tax return, or you owe taxes and you fail to make arrangements to pay it.
Oh, okay. Got you.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Good. And one more thing. I like the way you give the names to that gentleman. Pumpkin.
Thank you. Well, he's not Pumpkin anymore. He's all gray now, so he's Crybaby.
Yeah. So now I think he should feel a pain, kind of like he used to, since he's in the office. Whoever sent him the office, and he's deporting the people, making a mess with the Immigration Act, and now he realized that what is the meaning of the kind of deportation. Now the real power behind this guy deporting him from the office.
That is correct.
And he don't want to go.
He's gonna be a private citizen, and we'll see all the lawsuits
Exactly.
and investigations that go
Nobody
against him.
can wait to see him that way.
We'll see. All right. Thank you for calling.
Thank you.
Okay.
Already. God bless you.
Thank you. All right. Let's go to Citizen in the Bronx. Citizen. Citizen. Citizen.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Your name is not Citizen.
Yeah.
It is?
Peterson from the Bronx.
That's your
Yes.
name? How do you spell it?
Peterson. Peterson.
Peterson. Okay. I was going to say, there's no way you're a Citizen. Kittison. We got it spelled wrong.
Peterson. Peterson. Peter.
Peterson. Got it.
Yes.
I'm like, Citizen. What kind of name is Citizen? All right, Peterson. All right. Peterson.
Yes.
What's going on, Peterson? That's why you weren't answering. I'm like, Citizen. You're like, who's that? I'm not answering. All right,
Yes,
Peterson.
right.
What's going on? What's going on?
Yeah, Brad. Good. Yeah.
Talk to me. What's your question?
All right. Good. Good evening, folks. Like Joe Biden. Good evening, folks.
What? All right. Tell me what.
All right,
tell me
Mr.
what your
Brad.
question
Good
is.
evening.
Tell me
I'm
what your
fine.
question is. Tell me what your question is.
Yeah, Brad. I really have a situation. What happened? I have a All right. Yeah. What happened? I have my
I'm at the edge of my seat. What happened? It's 2 minutes into this question. I haven't heard one
All right,
sentence out of
sorry.
you. Talk to me. What's happening?
Yes, I have a VAWA filed 2018. And at the point, that was between the lockdown for the COVID-19, there was a more requirement they asked from me. Yeah, there was a more requirement from me, which I was able to get from Nigeria with my divorce certificate. So the moment it get here and I filed it back, I thought it was beyond the submit period. So I don't know. The case got denied, and I don't know what to do.
All right, let me understand this. You filed a VAWA case. They asked you for more evidence, which was a divorce from Nigeria. You were not able to provide it, and you got denied. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have the divorce now? Peterson, do you have the divorce now, Peterson? All right. We got to talk to him off the air because this is like pulling teeth. But the answer would be to Peterson, let's get the divorce. We got to refile it again quickly before you get put in deportation. Let's go to Kendall in Andover, Minnesota. Kendall.
Yes, hi, Brian. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good. What's going on?
Yeah, bro. I was released on parole, but before I was released, I submitted my asylum application where I was detained. Then finally, I was released on parole. So my case was transferred here in Minnesota. So what I'm asking, how can I do to speed up my case so that the immigration judge can give me an earlier hearing for an individual, because my master hearing is coming up. So what I was asking, I don't know, is it possible for me to just to submit all my evidence?
This is for your asylum case, correct?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, unfortunately, with the courts, if you're not detained, and thank God you're not detained and sitting in immigration jail because it's not very pleasant there. If you're not detained, they're going to be postponing your cases for a while because of coronavirus. And, there's nothing that anyone can do to speed it up. For example, there's no cases at all through December 4th. They have postponed about 6 months of deportation cases. So it hurts people like yourself who have affirmative cases that they want resolved so they can get their green cards. It helps people who are going to get deported and now their deportation's being delayed for, 6 months a year. Until coronavirus gets under control and the court docket on a regular basis, they're seeing people, I don't think there's a lot you can do to push your case at this point, unfortunately. I mean, you can follow all the mandamus you want, but a federal judge can't tell an immigration judge you have to sit in your courtroom and get sick with coronavirus. So they've been, postponing all of this, unfortunately.
Yeah, because my master hearing is coming up January 5th.
Okay, so on your master calendar hearing, hopefully you're able to submit your entire asylum application with all your evidence, and the judge will set it down for an individual hearing. That's what you have to hope.
Okay, that means since I already submitted my asylum application when I was detained, so that means if I just submit everything with my evidence the day that
no, what'll happen then is you're just going to set it down for an individual hearing, and the judge is going to say not on that date, but is going to give you a date in the future. So they're going to say your individual hearing is June 1st, and you have to submit all your evidence by April 1st. And that's what's going to happen.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, God bless you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Let's go to Christy in San Bernardino, California. Christy. Christy.
Yeah.
Hi,
hello.
How are you? Yeah, just lower your radio or whatever you're listening to. Not a radio, whatever your television.
Hi, Brad.
Computer.
I'm glad to get you online today.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm a first-time caller, though. So I just quickly want to say my concern. I thank you for all you're doing, but I'd like to know, because I am on asylum pending, kind of, and I started an e-victory with a recruiter, which I wasn't able to know who my attorney is. So along the line, the recruiter died like a month plus right now.
Wait. I don't follow you. You filed for asylum, and then you got sponsored in a job as a preacher? Did you say preacher?
Yes.
As a preacher in a church?
No.
What? As a teacher?
No, as a nurse.
As a nurse. I thought I heard teacher or preacher. Okay.
No.
You got sponsored as a nurse. Now, you're an arriving alien? So when
I'm an alien right now.
No. My question to you is, when you entered America, did you file asylum at the airport, or you filed after you came?
I filed it when I entered America.
Okay, perfect. And now you have a nurse application in. What happened with that, with the job sponsorship?
Yes. My own fear right now is kind of like, I did it, I started this job earlier this year. So I kind of like 9 months right now, but suddenly I lost my recruiter. So the last
what did you lose?
My recruiter, the recruiter that fights.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So he died.
Uh-huh.
So good. So right now I'm trying to get in touch with my HR in my office
Right.
to know who my attorneys are, because he told me he has filed my I-140 here in California, but I don't even know. I don't have any receipt number
Right.
or lien number. So I'm kind of confused. What am I going to do? Should I stop it or should I continue going? I got in touch with my HR. They gave me one attorney that's the people in charge right now. So I checked. The attorney's name is part of the recruiter's last name. That is kind of like they are family.
I think what you should do is speak to a private attorney. You're going to need representation yourself.
Okay.
That's where your problem is. Because when you're dealing with a job sponsorship, there's two different people that are being represented. An employer and the alien, which is you, who's getting the green card. Now, many times in your situation, the employer's lawyer is representing them and you. But in this particular case, you have no representation. You have no idea what's going on. So you need your own representation. You need a lawyer to contact the employer or the employer's lawyer, who's ever doing it, and figure out what's going on. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.